When I left school, I didn't really know what I wanted to be. Joined the family business, general building, and Dad said to me, look, you need to find a niche. Dad was a plumber, and I always had a leaning more towards plumbing. Started getting into underfloor heating. First of all, was just fitting it for others, and then we thought, good, this seems to be growing. This is a niche. We can see the future of it. So WMS Underfloor Heating was born. Started off in the garage, no windows. It was pretty bleak. No heating even in the garage. So Mum took the calls during the day, and I went out installing during the day. And then we got back in the evening. We'd work out the quotes, send them out. We used to fax them in those days. Fax and post before email. Didn't even have a proper computer. It was like a typewriter. Really quite primitive. Last year we turned over 15 million, and it's been such a journey.